你相唔相信呢個世界上有一種水果嘅元素可以等同於75粒嘅番茄紅素、胡蘿蔔嘅15倍、30條玉米、40粒檸檬同670粒藍莓嘅種黃？你食緊嘅高價營養產品係協助你變得更健康，定係慢性損害緊你嘅細胞？其實如果營養產品唔啱，你可能只係喺度加重緊身體嘅負擔。數據指出，好多人盲目補充，結果適得其反。咁多年，無數人因為錯誤花錢購買保健品，但往往補唔到位，而浪費大量金錢。今日我要點名第一種隱患，盲目迷信普通蔬果嘅營養成分。好多人覺得護眼、保養前列腺食番茄就夠，但你知唔知？根據馬來西亞 DNA 之父，我嘅好朋友 Dr. Cole 指出，有一款水果被嚴重低估，佢係大自然賜予我哋嘅元素週期表精華。
The amount of lycopene is 70 times more than a tomato. Lycopene is a very powerful carotenoid. It's very effective against eye health and also skin health. Lycopene will protect our cells from ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Together with vitamin C, it will promote synthesis of collagen in our body. Beta-carotene, another carotenoid. When we consume them in our body, it gets converted into vitamin A. And it has a lot more vitamin A than, say, carrots. It can definitely help to improve your eyesight. Besides that, we have vitamin C, omega-3, 6, 9. And these are the oil-dissolving carotenoids, which means that when you take them, it will help them to be absorbed into our cells very quickly. If I were given a choice, I would call this the king of fruits, really. It is a superfood because it has all sorts of macronutrients and micronutrients.
好多長輩排尿困難、夜間頻尿，甚至有前列腺危機，就係因為體內缺乏高效能嘅抗氧化保護。如果你仲係每日食1-2粒番茄，呢種低效率嘅補法，響急需修復嘅細胞面前，簡直係杯水車薪。天堂果入邊含有豐富嘅 Omega 3、6、9脂肪酸，呢啲天然油脂係脂溶性營養嘅完美組合，包含番茄紅素同 B 胡蘿蔔素，可以幫助營養直接送入細胞。我哋嘅天堂果全來自自家果園，採用納米冷凍技術，響零下60度嘅真空環境裏邊，將水分蒸發，保留100%嘅原始營養，令身體更容易吸收。Dr. Cole 教授提到，天堂果之所以被稱為來自天堂嘅水果，係因為佢嘅營養密度非常之驚人。銀幕上見到嘅一條天堂果凍乾粉營養精華，等於1粒天堂果嘅養分，佢嘅總和等於番茄紅素嘅75倍、B 胡蘿蔔素嘅15倍、玉米黃質30倍、維他命 C、檸檬嘅40倍、葉黃素、藍莓嘅670粒。如果你有視力模糊、飛蚊症或者長期對住部電腦工作，呢啲數據唔係數字咁簡單，係對細胞嘅保護罩。前列腺，天堂果對心血管都係一大救星。佢含有豐富嘅普酶 Q10同 Omega 脂肪酸，可以幫手調節血壓，降低壞膽固醇。對於長期熬夜、作息凌亂嘅現代人，呢啲都係保命符。Getty-Weight 天堂果納米凍乾精華粉唔單止方便，仲有一個好神奇嘅身體信號檢測。你飲完之後，條脷會話你知你嘅健康狀況。如果你覺得飲完之後有苦味，可能係身體濕熱，要留意飲食。如果你覺得有辣味，可能係肝臟負擔重，要留意睡眠。如果你覺得蔬菜味或者冇味，咁恭喜你，你嘅身體狀態非常之好。呢種同身體溝通嘅方式，係咪比盲目吞食保健品更加有趣呢？健康唔係一朝一夕，但補錯可能真係會令到我哋花錢買難受。今日分享天堂果嘅秘密，係希望大家可以喺市場上揾到正確嘅養生方法。如果你屋企嘅長輩有眼乾眼澀，或者男性長輩有排尿困擾，請務必將呢條片轉發俾佢哋。佢哋未必識上網揾資料，但你嘅一次分享，可能就係改善佢哋生活質素嘅契機。